Welcome to the Blockchain series, where we explore the fascinating world of blockchain technology. In this first video, we will provide a basic introduction to what blockchain technology is, how it works, and what it's used for. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. Blockchain technology is a revolutionary concept that has taken the world by storm. It is a decentralized, secure ledger that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and has the potential to transform industries far beyond finance. At its core, blockchain technology is a distributed database that stores information across a network of nodes. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions and a unique code, called a hash, that links it to the previous block in the chain. These transactions are validated by the nodes and added to the ledger in a secure and immutable way. This makes blockchain technology highly secure and resistant to tampering or fraud. It also enables transactions to be processed quickly and efficiently, without the need for intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. Blockchain technology was first developed for use in cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. But it has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, supply chain management, and more, by enabling secure, transparent, and efficient data sharing across networks. That concludes our introduction to blockchain technology. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch the rest of the blockchain series, where we dive deeper into the world of blockchain technology and its many applications.